Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to save Fusion nodes in Davinci Resolve. If you've created a composition in Fusion that you want to save for later use, here's a quick way to export it. Start by going to the Fusion page in Davinci Resolve. With your composition open, go to the top left, click on File, then choose Export Fusion Composition. This will save your work as a .comp file, which you can store on your computer or share with others. To use this saved composition in another project, go to your new project in Davinci Resolve and create a new Fusion composition. Right-click in your timeline and select New Fusion Composition, name it, and open it in the Fusion tab. Now, go back to File and choose Import Fusion Composition. Find the .comp file you saved and open it. This will bring in all your saved nodes and settings, making it easy to continue working from where you left off. A quick note, make sure you're in the Fusion page to import the composition, as the option will be grayed out elsewhere. This method is great for reusing complex Fusion setups without having to recreate them from scratch. And that's it. You now know how to save and reuse Fusion nodes in Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.